Climate change poses one of the greatest environmental challenges of our time, requiring coordinated global action. Without efforts to reduce greenhouse gases, we face rising temperatures, sea levels, and altered weather patterns impacting homes, businesses, and livelihoods. To address this challenge, A*STAR and a consortium of international researchers have co-developed the Global Mitigation Potential Atlas. GMPA is a web-based application to help businesses, NGOs, policymakers, and other stakeholders to understand where opportunities to reduce greenhouse gas emissions are located and how collaboration allows us to address climate change at lower costs. This app was designed to show potential emissions reductions for each country at various cost levels to help illustrate how different decarbonization strategies and cross-border cooperation can help countries curb emissions. For example, the GMPA projections indicated that without international collaboration, Singapore would only be able to mitigate 3 million tons of CO2 emissions annually. This is because Singapore has very limited land for solar panels and very calm winds and waters. Thus, Singapore has very little renewable energy potential and is considered alternative energy disadvantaged. However, the GMPA app highlights that by collaborating with like-minded partners, Singapore can get to net zero and also increase mitigation potential for the region. For example, partnering with Indonesia in a solar farm could mitigate up to an additional 61 million tons of CO2 emissions annually, and including Malaysia could increase this to 80 million tons at the same cost. These partnerships could involve importing green electricity and deploying cutting-edge ammonia storage technologies. This underscores the critical importance of international collaboration in managing climate change strategy. This GMPA application isn't just a guide, it sparks global discussions, driving us towards smarter, cost-effective solutions for a low-carbon and sustainable future. I am Aniq Ahsan from A*STAR's Singapore Institute of Manufacturing Technology. My work focuses on building dynamic decision support tools using physics simulations to help policymakers design long-term decarbonization strategies. Follow our channels to discover more about A*STAR's latest science and technology.